Witness how technology and precision engineering are reshaping quality control at Proton's state-of-the-art facility at Tanjung Malim, ensuring each vehicle meets our exacting standards by seamlessly utilizing cutting-edge technology in every phase of production. Production begins at our stamping line that operates the largest mechanical press in Malaysia with a maximum stamping force of 2,500 tons. These machines are assisted by 7 nimble robots orchestrating the movement of metal panels with millimetric precision, forming a seamless symphony of efficiency and perfection that is enhanced by Industry 4.0 technologies. By using multiple quality inspection gateways, the highest quality standards are maintained during the production process, ensuring every component meets our stringent demands. As the meticulously assembled components continue their journey, they arrive at Proton's sanctum of precision, the body welding shop. Here, we employ a comprehensive suite of state-of-the-art technology, such as an arsenal of robotic inspection arms, an automatic servo turntable, and Bosch's adaptive spot welding system with the centerline servo gun together with laser-guided precision instruments. In a breathtaking symphony of technology, these machines ensure that every panel of the car is assembled in flawless perfection, devoid of any imperfections. Critical to maintaining assembly line accuracy is the measurement test, which is conducted periodically. Entrusted with this task are Proton's engineers using the Carl Zeiss Carmate 11, a fully automatic 3D coordinate measuring machine. With surgical precision, it works in minuscule margins and can measure an entire body in just 4.5 hours. Our dedicated paint quality inspection team uses advanced measuring tools to meticulously examine each and every coat, ensuring perfection in paint thickness, glossiness, hardness, adhesion, roughness, leveling, and color accuracy. At the assembly line, where each car and its mechanical components are connected, Proton undertakes extensive quality inspections via 11 quality gates in order to ensure quality and accuracy are maintained, as well as identifying and rectifying any defects before advancing to the next stage. Discover automated manufacturing line control system, seamlessly merging vehicle tracking and part management for top-tier assembly efficiency and quality, whilst automated torque management ensures precise screw fastening, minimizing errors, and automated guided vehicles AGV for superior productivity and quality. The high-tech functional test operation is an essential step where skilled operators use multi-function tester to initiate diagnostic tests, ensuring flawless systems functionality for each vehicle. Real-time data is displayed, so every component is performing up to speed in this high-tech operation. Our road testing utilizes state-of-the-art simulation technology to faithfully replicate real-world driving conditions. This rigorous process guarantees that every Proton car delivers top-tier performance, safety, and longevity. Prior to leaving the assembly line, each vehicle undergoes a shower test, evaluating the water tightness of the panels and seals to ensure they are perfect. These rigorous inspections are designed to guarantee that each vehicle is fully prepared for delivery to our dealerships and valued customers. Thanks to the adoption of technologically advanced equipment and the dedication of Proton's engineers, our quality control matches and exceeds industry standards, so you can drive a Proton with complete confidence.